The more and more I use my Built American equipment, spray booths and ovens, the more I realize just how great they are. I decided to update my spray booth to include variable speed. It's a very nice must-have. I wanted to reroute the fan cable up through that back panel and up through here. And to do so, I used a Chinesium drill. This is his first time use. So in 2 holes with this American-made sheet metal, this Chinesium drill is absolutely destroyed. Absolutely destroyed. Can't tell you. The edges, I mean, it's I can't believe it. After one use with these 2 holes, this American-made sheet metal from Built American equipment just absolutely destroyed. And that's why you buy Built American equipment. Don't mess around and get yours.